Oh my gosh, okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm married. And I cut my hair. But that's besides the point because I've got some exciting stuff. I'm here in Kids and Babies. So I don't know if you can see. We're here at the Kids and Babies store. It's so cute. It's upstairs. It's above the penny shop. So if you are around and you're here in town, definitely check it out. We've got the Kids and Babies and Modern and Backing, a whole section all the way upstairs. So definitely check it out. But I'm here. I just talked to Tami Jones. You guys know I love her so much. She's so fun. She has a new line. It just came out. It's called Little Ladies, and it's up here in our Kids and Babies store. It is so cute. So I got to talk to her, and she told me a little bit about the inspiration behind her line. So she was inspired by her little ladybugs, her little ladies, her twins that are so cute. And she said that they helped her design the fabric. They even helped her color the fabric. So this whole line is dedicated to her little ladies. It is so adorable. If you guys love florals, you love ladybugs, you love just happy polka dots, gingham, this is the line for you. Definitely check it out. It's online. It's also here in stores. So come say hi. I might have a little thing for you. I love handing out little things. So if you come in town and you run into me, ask because I've got lots of stuff. But I want to show you. So we've got all the little gingham and the hearts, the little twisty hearts. Look at those. They're so cute. We've got look at her little ladies. They're so cute. But they come in the jelly rolls, the layer cakes, nope, that's not a layer cake. That's a charm pack. What am I talking about? The charm packs and the layer cakes, of course. Our fat quarter bundles. Oh my gosh, you guys, in this yardage. It's so beautiful. I'm obsessed. I absolutely love Tami Jones. If you haven't checked out her channel, she is so fun, and she has so many tutorials with applique and just really fun projects. And sometimes she does retreats, she's in town. Definitely check her out if you haven't. Tami Jones, we love you. We love this line. Check it out. If you guys have any questions about the line or about things going on in town, please ask us. My grandma's back in town, so Jenny's back. So stay tuned for some stuff with her. We've got some fun projects coming. Well, not necessarily. Kind of. She's got some fun projects going on, just kind of in her life, and so that will be really fun. My life is just, it's crazy, but it's so good. I've got some camps coming up that I have with some friends of mine. I just got married, so we're moving into our house. We're getting all moved in. Some projects I'm working on. I am working on making bags. So I've never made bags before, like little tote bags. And so I'm gonna try it. So we'll see how that goes. But otherwise, let us know what you guys are working on in the comments. It's gonna be fun. I love you guys. Check out Tami's line. It's so cute.